Well, welcome back, everyone. It was a incredible day in markets with our ideas and strategies coming right to fruition. Looking at a market that had a bit of indecision in the morning, tight range, opening up some downside risk in the afternoon with the FOMC meeting minutes. All of that came to fruition, and NVIDIA's earnings blew their expectations away. After hours, they're sitting just under $1,000, sitting in the 980s right now. And if we take a look at what the S&P E-minis have going on, well, we had that dip, and that happened during cash hours. We then saw that pump up. We got up and retagged highs effectively. And the NASDAQ, several days ago, as you can see right over here, had Rob's IRB strategies firing off. A reverse IRB buy 2.0 and a IRB buy 2.0. And we know that we are still seeing breakout forecasters on the NASDAQ daily chart, keeping the third stage of this sequence of signals in motion. Now that keeps the door open for a potential rise to try and tag for the NQ that target area. And of course, with the cross-pollination between the indices, can hold the S&P up. Now, earnings at the end of the day are a wild card. NVIDIA has blown away expectations. At one point, it was up just shy of the $1,000 mark, about a handful of percentage points. Currently, it's sitting at around the 984 marker, up 3.7% as I record this video. What I want you to really take away from here is the market signals that we have had kept us on the strategy that likely we see that rise. The NASDAQ is still in stage 3 of that sequence of champion trend pack signals, and the IRB strategies continue to support up, including an IRB up tracker on today's daily candle, and of course, a IRB positive that you can see right there, a reverse by 2.0, just underneath today's NASDAQ bar. We've also got an IRB buy signal on today's daily ES bar. So with the market in a bit of a vice still on the S&P side, a little bit more room to breathe on the NASDAQ side, potential rise up towards that target area, but risk has to be considered below 18,700. The potential for a back test of the breakout forecasters, the last, which is today, or the second last yesterday, in the 18,500 to 600 area becomes more likely. And of course, on a break of the fast speed line below the slow on the ES, a potential pullback down towards the 5280s would be in store. And of course, the risk is not limited there. Could be to the second last breakout forecaster, 5230-ish area. The conference call starts at 5 p.m. for NVIDIA. My expectations are that we do see the stock in the after hours try to make a higher high than it has since the release ahead of the conference call. That would be my expectation. However, let's see if this market is willing to sustain up in that territory. Our technical signals suggest that we may still be able to hover up against highs, make fresh new all-time highs on the ES as we have on the NASDAQ. And then let's look for signs where the trend may be bending before looking for the opportunity to go the other way. I hope that this was a helpful video. Looking forward to sharing with you much more tomorrow. Stay safe out there, folks, and thank you for watching, and have a wonderful rest of your day.